Before we begin, like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more credible news. The Karnataka BJP is set for a 10-day Padyatra from Raichur to Bellary beginning September 1st to target the Congress government over alleged governance, failures and corruption. State BJP President B.Y. Vijayendra said the 200-kilometer march will run till September 10th. Union Education Minister Prahlad Joshi will inaugurate it in Raichur. The JDS has also promised complete support with its leaders expected at the opening and closing events. A key demand will be the resignation of Bellary MLA and Minister V. Nagendra, who faces allegations linked to the 89 crore rupees Valmiki Development Board scam. The BJP will also raise farmers' distress, unemployment, reservation issues and alleged irregularities in recruitment. The march comes with a political reference to 2010, when Siddaramaiah led the Bellary Chalo against the then BJP government over alleged illegal mining involving the Reddy brothers.